are talking about the Prime Mind Duty Pulley. What's the purpose? Why the change?
Basically, it has a lot of the performance characteristics of a Mind Duty 2.0 or the heavier Super Duty pulleys, but has lower weight. So we've optimized the design. We've been able to, offer a pulley at a lower price that can fill a lot of the same needs as the heavier Mind Duty pulleys. With some of the equipment that we've added, the machines in our manufacturing process, it allows us to kind of speed up the time to build a pulley, less process time for a pulley, faster turnaround.
It was my understanding we had good lead times before, for the most part, for pulleys. Will they be faster?
First big thing is we've eliminated the hub to end disc weld, so the need to do the heavy welding process on the end disc is gone. So that, coupled with the ability of being able to stock more of the parts available, I think will really reduce the process time from start to finish on welding up a pulley from scratch.
Beyond where we've always done it here in Minnesota, can you comment on some new locations that came online since or around the last show?
2010 range, we started building pulleys in Arizona, and have just in the last 3 years set up and started manufacturing pulleys in Atlanta. So kind of giving us a nice placement for the North American market.
If somebody beyond CONEXPO will get to meet with us, and we're sure encouraging folks to visit us there, they're welcome to any of our shops at any time.
Absolutely. We welcome customers, distributors, end users. Anybody is welcome for a tour. We've got a good group of people that I think everybody would like if they could spend a little bit of time with them.